The Bundesliga is the top-tier soccer division in Germany, and it's one of the most competitive soccer leagues in the world. AWS first established a partnership with the Bundesliga in January 2020, and since then, different machine learning models have been built to obtain additional insights from the game, with expected goals being one of the most popular. Like the name indicates, the expected goals or XG metric is a predictive model used in soccer that evaluates the probability of scoring in a given attacking situation. The Bundesliga XG model was developed using Amazon SageMaker, and it applies machine learning to provide a score ranging from 0 to 1 that signals the likelihood of scoring a goal in a given scenario. To obtain accurate results, over 40,000 shots on goal were used to train the XG model. But how does it work exactly? Picture a goal scoring situation like this one. The model deconstructs this image and breaks it into individual factors that are taken into account, using different weights to create a score. For instance, some of the key factors included in the XG model are distance and angle to the goal, number and positioning of defenders, goalkeeper coverage, or player speed. The Bundesliga has developed other metrics using a similar approach. Some of them include average positions and passing profile. Average positions uses around 3.6 million geographical data points to track the position of every player, and then provides a graphic that illustrates the average formation of a team during the match. Passing profile is similar to the XG metric, with video of nearly 2 million passes being used to train the machine learning model. The output produced measures pass difficulty and completion probability. But why are these metrics useful? Well, they provide actual values for aspects of the game that could not be objectively measured in the past. For instance, let's look at the XG model. The individual XG values can also be aggregated to provide the number of expected goals in a match. This value no longer suggests the probability of a single event. Instead, it indicates the expected outcome given a set of events. XG can often reflect more information about a match than the actual score itself. For instance, let's take a look at the following scenario: Borussia Dortmund versus Bayer Leverkusen. Borussia Dortmund absolutely dominates the game, playing very well and creating a catalog of chances, but for any reason, they are unable to score a goal. This could be due to a striker having a bad day, incorrect referee decisions, or simply bad luck. On the other hand, Leverkusen struggles to keep up during the match, and is outperformed by Dortmund in almost every aspect of the game. However, in an isolated play, Dortmund scores an own goal that gives Leverkusen the lead, which ultimately results in the final score of 1-0. Although Leverkusen takes the win in this match, the final score does not reflect the performance of each team accurately. In this scenario, the XG score does a better job at illustrating the actual passage of play. This information is useful when predicting the medium to long-term performance of a team. For instance, we could say that a team that consistently scores less goals than their XG value can be expected to obtain better results in the future, because at some point, those factors keeping them scoring less goals than their XG value will go away. On the other hand, a team with consistently low XG scores and a winning record should be concerned about the sustainability of their performances. In other words, if a team has not been playing well or generating good scoring opportunities, the lack or other factors that have helped them win games in the past will run out in the long term. All these insights generated by AWS are being used by Bundesliga teams to become more competitive. Additionally, the Bundesliga itself also uses these insights to create a better experience for fans, which increases engagement. Overall, given how Amazon Web Services has improved key aspects of the Bundesliga, we can expect to see more developments in the field of sports analytics during the coming years.